I am Milton, son of a carpenter, married. Dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I am the son of a carpenter, married. I get to make her. And yeah, I'm trying to lose them like a bad habit. The glasses, and they started changing the eyes back in 1996. I had gone into the hospital with the anemia. He has dangerous or low blood counts, and came out with the eyes that started changing. I'm going to show you a poster I got there, mini poster. That shows them off much better than you can see in this video, hopefully. But it was incredible when it started changing. I mean, these glasses here are very thick, and they've been what I've been wearing since college, I graduated in '89, maybe in 1989. But the color is more sharp, clearer. Could see things in distance much better than I could ever see before. I mean, seeing something 2 blocks down, going down Louisville there, and being able to see it look like toothpicks down the street. The telephone post. And yes, they started changing color, turning from brown to blue, all brown, all completely dark brown. And then I'll show you. The smaller, browner circle is the old eyes, and the bigger, bluer circle growing in is the new eyes. Blue-eyed DNA taking over for brown-eyed DNA. 221, that's really good. Maybe those new pills are kicking in. I did some research and found you could slip into a diabetic coma, according to YouTube, with as low as 200, but you can go up to like 2,000. So with my 400 plus accounts, oh, I got plenty of space. I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, smaller, browner circle, slowly but surely disappearing, and more bluer, kind of, I've had folks call it all kinds of colors, coming in through it. Yeah, blue-eyed DNA taking over for brown-eyed DNA. It's got to go on with the muscles. That's why I'm in this wheelchair. And yeah, even today, with it's a dark day and there's a lot going on with the eyes. I'll get into that in another parable. A Soacam sugar parable. Some carpentry sugar. But even today, it's being able to see a car on York up there. That would be a feat with glasses back when I was growing up. It's an incredible change, and is medical research being passed by. This is a glucometer. You can call it your phone. It runs on electronics. At least it's closer to normal range, not like 300 higher. I had spaghetti last night. Nice big plate of spaghetti. I have some leftovers. But I found sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. I mean, it has nothing to do, depending on the food. Chicken, ham, hot dogs, potatoes. I don't have much of a varied diet. Hamburger, of course. But it can go up, it can go down. There's nothing. Just like with the eyes. If the heart attack. If it looks like with the heart attack, no shortness of breath, no pain. Yeah, I just kind of put these things together. I'm kind of working on the fly. No chest pain, no shortness of breath. Last October 10th, 2016, coming up on a year. If that's a heart attack, I've been having them since I was 4 years old. It's, yeah, part of that, growing a new body. Genetic carpentry at work here. Yeah, those spiral cases. It's getting high. It's getting up to 6 minutes, and I've run out of things to say. If you know what's going on with the son of carpentry, metabolism, have some insight. All you doctors out there, try to call me, 424-229-4140. With your phone, with your glucometer, I should have said it, with your glucometer, with your phone. Runs on electronics, so does your phone. That's that censorship. I can place someone named Hussein in the highest office in the world. Right after we got attacked by a whole lot of very angry, very violent, very dangerous Hussein. Make that video of America's Hijacked Lifelines. You trying to call me, 424-229-4140. Not one call. Check of America's Lifelines and 9 years of asking. Make the call, post the video, and that's the serious stuff you can do with your video camera. Your phone makes a video nowadays, huh? The funny stuff, tell that joke you got perfectly just once. You're a video pioneer in both cases. Tell that joke you got perfectly just once, and you never have to tell it again. You got it on your phone here. You got it on your flash drive. You got it on your YouTube. MySpace still around. Make that video, post that video, come see me in person. Have Woodward Travel, show me the perfect place to build. Jesus is an immaculate house here on earth. Best people to build with. I got my hat, I'm ready to roll.